Hello and welcome. Today, I invite you to explore a profound truth that lies within each of us. The power of your imagination and how it manifests your deepest desires. It's a journey that many overlook, yet it holds the key to unlocking a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. The essence of our being is often clouded by external circumstances, but I assure you that the true magic resides in our ability to create through our thoughts and feelings. Imagine for a moment that every desire you hold dear is already within your reach. Picture it vividly in your mind. This is the first step toward manifesting what you truly want in life. Our imagination is not merely a tool for dreaming, it is the very fabric through which our reality is woven. What you focus on, what you give your attention to, begins to take form in your experience. This isn't just wishful thinking, it is a universal law that governs the way we experience life. Now, let's take a deeper look into the nature of desire. Desire is not merely a longing or a wish. It is a signal from your inner self, guiding you toward what you are meant to experience. When you feel a genuine desire, it is your soul's way of urging you to recognize your potential and to think of the life that is waiting for you. Every desire carries with it the energy of creation. It beckons you to step into a reality that aligns with your true essence. However, it's essential to understand that the path to manifesting your desires requires more than just passive wishing. It demands an active engagement of your imagination and a firm belief in its power. Many individuals mistakenly believe that circumstances dictate their reality. They allow their current situation to define what is possible for them, forgetting that their imagination can transcend any limitation. Your present reality does not determine your future. Instead, it is your imagination that shapes your experiences. Let me share a vital secret with you: trust in the power of your imagination. This trust is fundamental to the process of manifestation. When you visualize your desires with conviction, you are planting seeds in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. This act of creation sends powerful signals to the universe, aligning you with the very outcomes you seek. Your imagination is like a magnet, drawing to you the people, opportunities, and circumstances that resonate with your desires. The importance of feeling cannot be overstated in this process. As you visualize, allow yourself to experience the emotions associated with your desires as if they are already yours. Feel the joy, the excitement, the peace that comes with achieving what you want. This emotional resonance acts as a catalyst, accelerating the manifestation process. When your feelings are aligned with your desires, you create a vibrational match that attracts similar energy into your life. Let's talk about the act of believing in your desires. Belief is the bridge that connects your current reality to the reality you wish to create. If you hold doubts or fears about the possibility of achieving your desires, you inadvertently create resistance. It's crucial to cultivate a mindset of certainty. Remind yourself that you are worthy of what you desire. You possess the innate power to create your reality, and it is through your unwavering belief that your dreams will take shape. Often, individuals face challenges in believing that their desires can manifest due to past experiences or societal conditioning. It's important to release these limiting beliefs and think of a new narrative. You have the ability to rewrite your story. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in this process. By repeating positive statements that affirm your worthiness and the reality of your desires, you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing doubt with faith. The practice of visualization is a crucial element in this journey. It is not enough to simply think about your desires, you must immerse yourself in the experience of having them. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. See it, feel it, and breathe it in. Allow yourself to inhabit that reality fully. The more real it feels to you, the more likely it is to manifest in your physical experience. As you engage in this practice, note to be patient and gentle with yourself. The journey of manifestation is not always linear. There may be moments of uncertainty or frustration, but know that these are simply opportunities for growth. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning everything for your highest good. Stay committed to your vision, and let go of the need to control how or when your desires will manifest. Another powerful aspect of this journey is gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude enhances your vibrational frequency, making you a magnet for positive experiences. Acknowledge and appreciate the small blessings in your life, even as you work toward your larger goals. Gratitude opens the door to abundance and creates a fertile environment for your desires to flourish. It's essential to take inspired action toward your goals as well. While visualization and belief are powerful, they must be complemented by action. Pay attention to the opportunities that present themselves and be willing to step outside your comfort zone. Sometimes, the universe will nudge you to take a leap of faith. Trust your instincts, and note that every small step you take brings you closer to your desires. As you navigate this journey, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who uplift and inspire you. Read books, listen to teachings, and immerse yourself in environments that support your growth. Your energy is influenced by your surroundings, so choose to fill your life with experiences that resonate with your vision. In moments of doubt, remind yourself of the countless stories of individuals who have manifested their desires against all odds. These stories serve as a testament to the power of imagination and belief. They illustrate that no dream is too big or too far-fetched when fueled by genuine desire and unwavering faith. You are not alone in this journey. You are part of a collective consciousness that shares the same potential for creation. As you reflect on your desires, consider the legacy you wish to leave. What impact do you want to have on the world? How do you want to be noted? Your desires are not just personal, they can contribute to the greater good. When you manifest from a place of love and intention, you elevate not only your life but also the lives of those around you. It's crucial to remain open to the possibilities that life presents. Sometimes, what you think you want may not be the best path for you. Trust that the universe has a grander plan. Be flexible and willing to adjust your course as you move forward. Your journey may take unexpected turns, but each twist and turn brings you closer to your true self and your authentic desires. As you continue to cultivate your imagination, note the significance of self-love. You must first nurture your relationship with yourself before fully thinking about your desires. Acknowledge your worthiness, and give yourself permission to dream. When you love yourself unconditionally, you create a solid foundation upon which to build your dreams. Life, in its essence, is a series of choices, and every choice is rooted in the beliefs we hold. Our beliefs act as the lens through which we view the world and the filters through which we process our experiences. When we shift our beliefs about what is possible, we allow ourselves to access new levels of creativity and imagination. The key lies in identifying and transforming any limiting beliefs that may hold us back from fully realizing our potential. For instance, consider the thoughts that arise when faced with a challenge. Do you find yourself saying, "I can't do this," or "this will never work"? These thoughts are reflective of underlying beliefs that can be changed. When you catch yourself in these patterns, take a moment to consciously replace them with empowering affirmations. A simple shift to, "I am capable of overcoming this challenge," can create a ripple effect in your life, altering not just your perspective but the outcomes you attract. Moreover, visualization is a powerful practice that can enhance your manifesting capabilities. To visualize effectively, create a serene environment where you can be present with your thoughts and feelings. Allow your imagination to roam free, painting vivid pictures of your desired reality. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engage all your senses. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more potent your manifesting power becomes. Another critical aspect is to cultivate resilience. Life will inevitably present obstacles, and it is in these moments that our belief in ourselves is tested. Understand that setbacks are not failures, they are opportunities for growth. By maintaining a positive outlook and trusting the process, you cultivate the inner strength necessary to keep moving forward. Each obstacle faced can lead to new insights, greater wisdom, and a clearer understanding of your desires. Additionally, it's vital to find joy in the process of creation. The journey of manifesting your desires is not solely about the end result, it's about the experiences you gather along the way. Engage with activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it be art, music, or spending time with loved ones. When you infuse your life with joy, you naturally elevate your energy and attract more positive experiences. Creating a vision board can also serve as a tangible reminder of your desires. Fill it with images, words, and symbols that represent your goals. Place it where you will see it daily. This visual representation can help reinforce your intentions and keep your focus aligned with your desires. Each glance at your vision board can spark inspiration and motivation, reminding you of the possibilities that lie ahead. Moreover, meditation is a practice that can enhance your connection to your inner self. It allows for clarity of thought and a deeper understanding of your desires. Through meditation, you can quiet the noise of the outside world, creating space for inspiration and insight to emerge. It can help you tap into your intuition, guiding you on the right path to manifesting your desires. In conclusion, the power to manifest your desires resides within you, anchored in your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. Trust in this power, nurture your imagination, and allow your true self to shine through. The world is a mirror reflecting your inner reality, and by transforming your thoughts, you can reshape your experiences. Think of this creative potential and know that your desires are on their way to manifestation. Now, as we wrap up this exploration, I invite you to engage with this content. If you found value in this discussion, please take a moment to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from this message. Your support means the world and helps us spread this empowering knowledge further. Consider subscribing to this channel for more insights that can guide you on your journey of self-discovery and manifestation. As you move forward, note to take action toward your dreams, stay connected to your imagination, and trust in the process of creation. You are the architect of your life, and every thought, every feeling, is a step toward manifesting the reality you desire. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to sharing more with you on this incredible journey.